Hi, this is the Java core learning course by example, and today the Day25 I will guide you how to print the triangle using the Asterisks in Java. Okay, so now let's get started. This is Eclipse and we have a main package. And now I will create a new class inside this package and we'll name it is the triangle print triangle, and create the main method. Import library. Okay, here in this demonstration, I will allow the user to enter the height of the triangle they want to be displayed, and after that, I will be on the height and display I mean print out the 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 the, the triangle. Okay. Here. So here we are going to create some variable to store the data. So here in this demonstration we are using the print and print line. So here if we using the print, it's the cursor will be in the current line, and if we are using the print lines, the cursor on the screen will be run into another new line. Okay. Print line. Aster. Okay, and here now I will try to run this application. Okay, here enter the height of the triangle. file. Oh, not good, not good, not good. Okay, let me see. Okay, here. Oh, okay, okay. Copy this one. Mm, this one equal one. Okay. Okay. Not good. Let me see. Perrin. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So here it seems working fine for now. Okay, so I will try to enter another new number for the high. Then yeah, working fine. 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. Wow, cool. Wow. It's very long. Okay. I think we cannot see the top. Okay. So here, cool. Yeah. So it's working fine for now. We have to using the print and print line exactly. Okay. Cool. So here, I hope this video will helpful for you, and after you finish this video you know how to print the triangle using the Aster in Java. Okay, so hope that helped, and let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later.